Hi, my name's Joe Ovsenek, President and CEO of Tudor Gold Corp. At Tudor Gold, we have one of the largest gold discoveries in recent times in North America, 21.6 million ounces of indicated gold, 4.88 million ounces of inferred gold. And what's even more exciting is within that big world-class gold deposit is we have higher grade gold mineralization in the 2 to 3 gram range, which we feel will allow us to kickstart mining at our project. Now, I will be making forward-looking statements throughout this presentation. Now, for those of you not familiar with Tudor Gold and our Treaty Creek project, we have an 80% interest in the project. It's located in the Golden Triangle in northwest British Columbia, just to the east of the Alaska Panhandle. That star in the center of the triangle represents our Treaty Creek project. Just below it, there's a pickaxe within a circle. That's the Brucejack mine. Our team discovered, built, and operated that mine. So we know what it takes to work in the Golden Triangle. Brucejack's now owned by Newmont Gold, the world's largest gold mining company. We have excellent infrastructure. We're about 40 kilometers from a paved highway. We're about 40 kilometers from a major transmission line. And about a couple hundred kilometers away, we have a deep water port where we can ship our concentrate from. Now, on the right-hand side of the slide, you see an isometric image that represents our mineral resource, the 21.6 million ounces, 66 million ounces of gold in the indicated category. That's in gold. And the inferred gold, 4.88 million ounces, is in blue. If you look at that slide, you'll see that it looks somewhat pixelated. And that's because it's a bulk tonnage resource estimate. So it's based on 10 by 10 by 10 meter blocks. And that's so you can, model it and get the grade well enough to bulk mine it. Now, our focus is on that higher grade mineralization, 2 to 3 grams. So we have a resource estimator working on an updated resource estimate for the project. And we expect to get it out in January of this year. And his focus is not only on coming up with an updated bulk tonnage estimate, but also providing us with a sensitivity of the higher grade gold in that 2 to 3 gram range. And he's doing some modeling to tighten up the pixelation so it's not as pixelated. We have more data points within his modeling to better outline that high grade gold. Target is, as I mentioned, to get that resource estimate out in January of the year, assuming we get 5 million ounces or more in that roughly 2 grams of gold per ton range. We'll move forward with a preliminary economic assessment, and we'd like to get that assessment completed by mid-2026. Now, we have other plans up at the project for the coming year. First off, in last August, we filed for a development permit so we can develop an underground ramp and, excavate a ramp down into the heart of the deposit and drill it off at tighter drill spacing. That allows us to save money and allows us to work all year round. So there's just a lot of benefits of doing this. We expect to get this started in mid-year as soon as we have the permit. Take us a year roughly to get down there, and then we can start drilling. Other plans for this coming season, if you take a look at the left-hand side of the slide, this is a plan view of our Treaty Creek project. That gray shaded area is our Goldstorm deposit. That's where we have our big mineral resource, world-class deposit. The red areas that are circled in red are other areas where we've had some drilling, not a lot, but some drilling, and we've had some joy. What really has our geologists excited is the Perfect Storm deposit, which you see down at the bottom, lower left corner, that big red outlined area. Now, at Perfect Storm, we drilled some holes in 2023. I think the last hole we drilled, we intersected 1.23 grams per ton gold over 102 meters. So that's why our geologists are excited about getting back there. We feel we can drill off another resource and create another deposit at Perfect Storm. Ultimately, the geos feel that Perfect Storm will be bigger and higher grade than Goldstorm, and we plan on kicking off that drilling this summer, have a budget about 15 million Canadian. So stay tuned for that. Management team, this management team's been together, or some of us have been together since the mid to early 90s. So, and we discovered and built the Brucejack mine. So we know what it takes to take a mine and a project from discovery right through to production in the Golden Triangle. And that's what we plan to do at Treaty Creek for Tudor Gold. Thank you.